Everyone, welcome to Center of Balance Live. I'm Phua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Now I have two cameras here, one on YouTube, one on Facebook. Now today's topic we're going to talk about sinusitis. Well, what's the symptom of sinusitis? And I'm going to talk about this, and I'm going to show you a number one acupressure point for it. But number one acupressure point. When you do this point, hey, you're going to get relief from it. Right. So the symptom is people get sinusitis, they blocked up. When it's infection, right, they have a lot of pain over here, over this part, right? And you can't even touch it sometimes. And blocked up, yeah, your nose blocked up, you can't breathe properly, and in fact your eyes as well, you can feel drowsy, like very tired, right? And you got a lot of mucus, and maybe green, yellow, or just white. And you may have sore throat, or what else? Fever. You may get fever, right? Sinus infection, right? So all this symptom is very difficult, and you may on antibiotics. And some patients they on antibiotics for weeks, and that not seem to be going away, right? And it affect your work and your family. You can't cook, you can't look after your kids. So what is the number one? We have a lot of acupressure point can help with this. I'm going to show you number one point that always help, and it can unblock your nose, and it can reduce the pain in your head for your headache or the pain over here. Now, if you check online, a lot of people would show you how to massage around here. Those are good points. Okay, I teach my patient all this as well. But to be honest, some patients they can't even touch their face. It's so painful. So an acupuncture or acupressure, it comes with local point that you massage here or distal point. Now today I'm going to show you distal point, and distal point can be on hands, can be on legs, can be on the opposite of here. Now if you're an acupuncturist, you watch this video, then you were very familiar with this point. Now you're going to work on 216, 215, GB20 and GB12, and Sanjiao 17 and Sanjiao 18 and UB10. A point all around here. If you're not acupuncturist, you're patient or your family suffer from this, and you want to share this video with your family, and you want to remember how to do acupressure for this. We're talking about, when I say number one acupressure point, I'm talking about this area. They actually include a lot of acupressure point, right? So for you, you just need to memorize this. Behind your earlobe, there's a bone in here. So hope you can see it. Earlobe, bone in here. So your technique is using your hands. So 5 fingers, make a fist like this, and behind your earlobe, there's the one. And keep going, keep going. So you want to keep going on the scalp. And underneath the scalp, the soft part over here, go to the neck, to your cervical spine, all right? From here, because a bit windy, I'm not quite sure whether they can hear me properly or not, all right? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So that's behind your earlobe, and go along all the hard part, the scalp, the hard part, just like this, until the center over here. So that is the first line you go. Then you want to go lower, which is on the soft part. Okay, so still going in here and directly go through here. You're not going up there. You're not going up. You just go. Okay. You can hit it quite hard if you wanted to, but not too hard. Not too hard. Okay. You may hit some point that is quite sensitive, a bit more painful, more sensitive. When you get to the sensitive point, you want to hit it there, retain on one spot for longer, and you're gonna find that your sinus actually unblock immediately. Right? Most of the time, it unblock immediately. When you do this one, you go over to the other side. So you want to do both sides. You want to do both sides, okay? So keep hitting it. So not too hard, just gentle. And you find the sensitive point, just keep going, keep going, keep going. So how long do you do it? Each point, you can up to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Each sensitive point, all right? Especially when you on the scalp, it has a lot of sensitive point on there, and it may less sensitive on under the scalp on the soft tissue over here, on the acupressure point over here. But on the Phua Ltd GB20, it normally gives you quite sensitive sensation over there, and you want to keep going. And once you keep going, you feel unblocked. Now, and then you go, when it's unblocked, you feel better. Then you touch your face over here. You feel that the tension of your face in here, it actually decrease as well. Then I want to mention to you, this is just try to decreasing the symptoms, so you feel better. So you're not relying on antibiotics. You're not relying on medication, and you find that when it unblock, you get more oxygen go in. You actually get more energy, right? So this is very good stuff. And I do want to mention to you, when it unblock, it doesn't mean you fix, okay? It just reduces symptom, increase the blood flow. When the blood flow more in here, it can take off the mucus, take off the mucus. That is the most important things. That with more blood flow over here, it can fight with the bacteria and the virus around here. Then you may find that as soon as it unblock, and within a few minutes or 10 or 15 minutes or 1 or 2 hours, it blocked up again, right? Then that's common. I want to tell you, this is common, okay? It still work. This is still working. You just have to keep going once every hour. If you come back, if you get back again, clock up back again. So once every hour or once every 2 hours. Doesn't matter how often you do it. Then the best way after this, get a heat pack around here, right? So I have other point as well on hand, but we're gonna talk just simple that everyone can get this point, right? So on the hand, not everyone can get it, but I'll show you in another video in more details to show you on the hand point and here. Okay, today we're gonna just talking about the head point over there. And yeah, so have your sinusitis, and this is acupressure point that can help you reduce the symptoms. But if you want to get rid of it, you want to get much better with it, you want to prevent it, hey, acupuncture and sinus herbs are the great way to help you. So call us. We have free pre-assessment. If you come into a clinic, that's free, up to 15 minutes. We can have a look on your organs, take your pulse, look at the tongue, and see whether we can figure out where your sinusitis come from. What is the root of your causing the problem? Then we'll give you, then we'll let you know whether we can help you or not. So our phone number is 078467956, 078467956. So give us a call, and we have clinic in Auckland, in Hamilton, and as well as in Cambridge. So stay awesome. I'll see you in next video. See you. Bye bye.